Bib necklaces are more than accessories. They are statement pieces that instantly transform your style. With bold layers, elegant textures, and eye-catching designs, they bring confidence and creativity to every outfit. Welcome to PandaHall's Bib Necklace Collection, a curated space for jewelry makers, designers, and fashion brands looking for standout necklace styles. Here, inspiration begins with every detail. From glamorous evening bib necklaces to modern layered statement designs, this category offers endless variety. Whether you love crystals, pearls, metalwork, or artistic patterns, there's a style ready to match your vision. Each bib necklace is crafted with attention to structure and beauty. Balanced layering, refined finishes, and comfortable fits ensure every piece looks luxurious while remaining wearable for real-life moments. These popular bib necklaces are loved for their bold charm and versatile styling, perfect for fashion-forward collections, special gifts, or boutique designs. They help every wearer stand out effortlessly. Design jewelry that speaks with style and confidence. PandaHall Bib necklaces offer quality materials, creative variety, and endless possibilities, helping you turn bold ideas into unforgettable necklace creations. Thanks for watching. Explore PandaHall Bib necklaces today and create statement jewelry that shines with personality and elegance.